Yo, hello guys, and you're welcome to Forex Success. It's Colin Silva right here, and once again, you're welcome to Forex Success. So, guys, I know it's been a while since I actually made a video for you guys. Yeah, that's very correct. But now I'm back with an amazing video for you guys. Yeah, this video is actually going to help the newbies, as the beginners who actually want to see what Forex trading is and how they can make money from it. So, if you are a new trader and if you're new to trading and you want to make money from synthetic indices, trading volatilities, you see them crash and boom, guys, just watch this video because it's gonna help you. And please, once you watch this video, write down the parameters. You can take a screenshot of the parameters, or you just write it down in a paper or in a book, something like that. Write down the parameters for the indicators that I'm going to show you, then write down the rules that I'm going to give you so that you don't forget it while trading, please. So you don't come back to my comment section and start saying it's lost or something like that. You know how you guys comment. So don't come back and be saying it blew my account or something like that. It's because you don't follow the rule. Meanwhile, you are commenting blew your account and you are seeing another person's comment like, this strategy is very good, I made a lot of money with it. So you should know something is wrong with the way you did. Something is wrong with your trade. So please take this. Don't take this for granted. Take it very serious. Have a notebook. Write down the rules. As you are trading, you are looking at the rule. Yes, so that you won't forget to obey them. Wow. So without wasting time, let me get started. Let's use volatility 10 index. Even if you don't know how to trade before, if you follow this thing, guys, you're gonna make money. Trading don't need to be hard. Just this simple, you're gonna make money from it. Okay, I want to start, please. I'm going to so just two indicators. That's all you need for this trade. Two indicators. One, moving average, 10 moving average, shift 0. Method simple, apply to close. Then that's just all the indicators you need. You click done. So we got the moving average right now on our screen. The next indicator you need is the MACD. Yeah, this is MACD, MACD. Simple parameters: fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. As simple as this, you click done. So you get all the indicators that you need for the strategy. So now, how should you use this strategy? Very simple. I'll just take you to 1 hour time frame, because the daily time frame is quite too big because most of you have small accounts, so don't just even go there. And even if you want to trade with daily time frame, make sure you also have a good entry from a small time frame. Yeah, so just to let you know, guys, I'm currently making this video in the bush. Like, I went to check out some properties that I want to purchase, so that's where I'm just doing this video right now. Okay, so this is it. This is 1 hour time frame. This is how this strategy work. Look out for two things. One, see the moving average cross above the chart. A first condition: once the moving average cross above the chart. If you've watched this strategy before, please watch and learn something that you didn't see on the previous one. Just wait. So this moving average cross above the chart, and this red line here, it crosses above this MACD. That is the two things you should watch out for. It crosses above the MACD when the MACD is above the zero level. When the MACD is above the zero level and this red line is above it as well, that's when you should get ready for a sell. And you can see these conditions here, and then what you're getting that sell. If you take it up here again, you see the same condition. Okay, this is actually let me put it this way. This is actually a continuation of this sell, which you can see here. You see continuation of this sell. It crosses above two conditions. You're already on the sell here. So however, you might not enter this one, but you got into this one. You see, so this is again for a buy. To take a buy, just the opposite of how you took the sell. MACD has to be below the zero level and the red line crossing below it. Then what's this? The moving average cross below the chart. Very simple strategy. Once you place a buy like this at this scenario right here, you place a buy, your stop loss should be below this moving average. Very small risk, and then you allow the trade to move. When should you be panicking of leaving this trade is when you see the moving average crossing the chart again. That should be around this area. That's when you should be panicking to leave this trade again. Do you get that, guys? This strategy works on all synthetic indices. Yes, both crash and boom. I'll show you that. I know you guys love trading crash and boom. I'll show you. This is again another area where this happened. Look at it. The same condition. And then what happened? It leads to the sell. You shouldn't panic until you start seeing another cross. That's when you should take. So once you take the trade, you have your stop loss there. Once you start seeing the trade moving in profit, like it moved in profit from another lower high, another lower low, then you should move your stop loss to entry. You can decide to use trailing stop loss, following it up. As let's say, as it forms this, your stop loss will be here, came down again, from another lower high, your stop loss will move to the next lower high. Just like that. That's how to use trailing stop loss. But however, that's not what I'm talking about now. What I came here to talk is how you can use this strategy to make money. So, having gotten this step, remember the parameters I use. I hope you took a screenshot or you write down that. If you didn't write that down, please go back and do that. And also, if you don't know what we're trading synthetic indices, where you can find crash and boom V75 step index. Make sure you click on the link at the description below to create an account. Yes, just use the link to create an account, and also follow this channel because we're going to be giving you videos, helpful videos. Check our previous videos. They are very helpful to help you make money. Yeah, so okay, that's for that. Let me show you guys this strategy on crash and boom. We're using crash 1000 index. You won't want to use this strategy on 1 hour time frame. Sorry, not for 1 hour. That's not what I'm saying. You won't want to use this strategy on what's it called? You want to use this strategy on 1 minute time frame. No, it can't even work on 1 minute time frame. So this is how you use the strategy on crash 1000 index, crash 1000 and crash 500 index. You allow the same parameters, red moving average cross below, and then here the same red line right here cross below the MACD, below the zero level, just here. You see that? So it gave you this buy, right? As you got in, you put your stop loss below the moving average. This is the way you can buy, you can sell with it. The same sequence, you see that? So that's how you can do it. This is 10 moving average and MACD in the strategy. Yes, I know the previous video is actually 40 moving average. Yes, they both work, but however, 10 moving average is actually, it shows you the direction of the market faster. It tells you what the market is doing faster than the 1 moving average. However, you need to back it up with your stop loss. Yes, back it up with your stop loss, in the sense that as you got into this trade, you should always have a stop loss. And then when you are able to catch this kind of move, guys, believe me, if your stop loss is here, it means like you're risking around, risking 1 to get around 8. So before you're going to lose that 8 again, it's going to take time. It's a simple mathematics. Look at it. Let's say you're trading this crash right now. Let's say you got in. Okay, let me use this point. You got in here. You sold around here. And then you took this profit to the downside. As you saw this intersection again here, you are out. You're already in profit. You can also enter here again because the conditions are met. You buy again here. You made this money. You sold again here. You made this money. Look at it though. Look at it. You entered again here. You make this money. Guys, no. I want to make a live video trading this account, trading using this strategy. I'm going to trade up to about 4 different indices using this strategy. Yes, 4 different. It's going to be a live video, so that video might take up to an hour because we need to see the results using this strategy live. Exactly, that's what I'm going to do to you guys, so that you guys can see this for sure, that you are not just following the rules. That's why you are not actually making money with this strategy. Look at it, it crossed below again. So you saw how many moves you must have caught here. So this will now be an issue. Why? Because it crossed above here. You can see it crossed above here, but then later pushed up to hit your stop loss. So take for instance, this will be nothing compared to all you have made from that previous time. And then that doesn't mean you should give up. You just relax and look for another good entry again. You know what I'm talking about. You just relax and look for another good entry again. Maybe you can get in right here. The stop loss above it, push it again all the way to the downside. I know some persons are gonna get in here again. Some persons will get in here again. Yeah, that's true. It will hit stop loss, and then here you catch it all the way to the down. If you are able to catch this side, it will even pay for those two stop losses that those two losing trades you get. So you catch here again for a buy. Look at moves. You will win more with this strategy than you lose. There is no 100% strategy. Everybody knows that. But a good strategy is one that has higher win than losses. So that's it. This strategy is very good, guys. As you can see, it works on crash and boom, works on VIX 75, works on stepping days. I'm supposed to be selling this strategy for real. I know persons that said their strategy that are not even as good as this, but I give it to you guys for free. Man, you should appreciate it. Well, you don't have to. Just thank God. I mean, God give me the knowledge and understanding to do it. Yeah, it's actually supposed to be free. It says freely I have given you, so freely you shall give. Exactly. So that's it, guys. Please. And if you want to learn more, like you want to take your Forex trading to the next level, I will only advise you to join my academy, Forex Success Academy. Yes, let's work on your understanding about Forex. Get the complete training for price action, how you can trade, risk management, and everything you need to know on the Forex Success Academy. If you want to message me on Telegram. The link is also at this description of this video. Message me on Telegram so I can tell you. Actually, it's not for free. Yes, joining the academy, it's not for free. It contains a lot of things and a lot of benefits. So it's not for free, exactly. So guys, just start using this strategy and let me know. Start using this strategy and just let me know how it has been for you on the comment section below. Yeah, just say something in the comment section. Tell me how you're actually faring with this strategy. And make sure you are following these rules. You don't trade it with that stop loss. If you just want to be using 1 hour time frame, you can be using 1 hour time frame. However, there is more to this which I'm going to explain on the live trading that I'm going to do with this strategy. Yes, I might do that on Facebook, but I'll send you guys the link so you can watch it there. Exactly. So there's more to read. Price action. If you check my screen, you can see I have key levels. That is I have support and resistance line that I'm using to back up my strategy. So I will know where there is a support level, there is a resistance level that I need to be careful of. So so that's all the benefits. Those are things you will learn when you're actually in the Forex Success Academy. So have a nice day, guys. I think I've done enough. I have something to do today, remember? So take care of yourself, guys, and make sure you just drop a good comment. Let me see. Okay, not on crash. Let me see. I think the lines actually are on this thing. Yeah, on the 100, the VIX 10 index. Yeah, so if you check my chart right now, I'm currently on the buy. So that is what I'm saying. There are more to this. This signal is actually giving me a sell. But this buy trade, I'm currently on the buy. Why? This trade has been taken about 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. That's when I've been holding this trade. However, I know for sure if I go to the higher time frame, I can see this break and retest. And moving average still pointing up. Break, price came down. Retested this my key level. And what are my expectations for that move to the upside? This is my stake profit level, you see. So that's what I say. There are more to this. But however, every way is good. Just know what you're doing, know your way, and the sky will definitely be your beginning. So thank you everyone for watching this amazing video. I remain Colin Siva, aka Forex Success. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.